where we are, this shortly, we're at the Pewfall junction of the East Lancashire Road. So Vicarage Road is behind me, that's Stanley Bank bypass, going up to Pewfall onto the East Lancs and blah de blah, and Sankey Valley National Park that way, blah de blah. Straight away we've got a silent Tommy silhouette, lest we forget. These, when it's not snowing, have little butterflies on them. Oh, there you go. Commemorate Stanley Bank Way by Minister of State of Transport Dr. Stephen Ladyman MP. This was laid 2007. On this side we have got a butterfly, but it's carved into the rock. So we walk down here, we turn right and we keep on this path here. So the significance of this path: it was part of a free-falling railway network across Haydock, St Helens, top end of Haydock Lake, going up to Pewfall, and we've had a look at all maps, and it was quite extensive. They must have ran easily 8 to 10 miles. The idea is gravity, what comes up must come down. So why not attach a weight onto the thing that's naturally going to come down anyway? Free falling railway. So it was pulling carts up the hill whilst carts were coming down the hill. Obviously the carts going up the hill would have been loaded, being pulled down hill by unloaded carts, probably more than the loaded ones, to help with balance. And this path is part of that free falling railway. So the one over at Stanley Bank, that's across the road from here. I think that was a towpath going down to the canal, and this, as said, was the free falling railway that once again went down to the canal basin too. It did split off in junctions behind me, I think connecting somehow up to Wagon Lane. I'm pretty sure the tracks were connected up to the Wagon Lane tracks too. And this was all around the early 1700s, mid 1700s, late 1700s, around then years, before steam. And what a lovely day we've got to walk around it. So it is all the way, you can even see it, I'll get down there. You can see the gradients of the hill, and it just constantly runs at a steady gradient. If you've done some digging along the banks of this though, I bet you'd find some bits and bobs, maybe even if it is old iron and copper slag. It tells a story. Gotta say, this is looking impeccable on the camera. So this little loop anyway, there's not much to it, it is just a little loop, but not many people will know the significance of the path, this far right hand side path. This is the tree we used to play on as kids, and let's have a look. I'll be highly surprised if it is still here. Looks like we left light bulbs where it was growing here. Looks like they've been completely taken over by nature. This was definitely the tree. I remember coming down here arguing with the people building the road, like, don't touch this tree. I was only about 7. Absolutely love that tree. There's a few trees around St Helens that just part of my memory, and this is one of them. That is impeccable, that picture. I'm just looking for a good picture angle of this tree, so they will go into the videos. Right. Carry on. So other than what I've just mentioned, is this being part of a free-falling railway, there's not actually that much here. It's just a little nature walk, a little nature reserve. If you come down here in the right times of year, you will see all sorts of creatures. You'll see pheasants, squirrels. If you come down here on an evening, you'll see the foxes. Yeah, it was quite a pleasant little place to be. All the robins will be out early in the morning too. Oh, definitely one of them little unknown areas of St Helens that isn't really mentioned. The only reason I know of it is because of John, bloody hell, speak English, John Alexander's book. And I did have to ask him a few times which side was it on, right next to the bypass now, so all the noise from traffic noise, I apologise. But yeah, I had to ask John a few times. I think he actually corrected me on one of my videos. He said the path that runs in front of Stanley Bank farmhouse is actually a towpath. This is the free-falling railway. But I have been all over that woods over there, Stanley Bank. And there's not much I don't know about Stanley Bank, like Stanley Bank. The evidence of Romans maybe settling there in some way, shape or form, so it goes back that long, the history of it goes that fast. Obviously you had the copper works, Hurst's farm or Stanley Bank farm itself, the convent, nunnery at Blackbrook. Oh. So it is just a loop now anyway. We used to play down there as a kids. You can see the houses through the trees. Used to be a way to get down off that estate through that gorge and up here. We exploited it a lot as kids. Fantastic this weather, isn't it? I'd say this little walk's only around the corner from me too. Should have done it a long time ago. Look at this. Oh, I love the snow here, I apologise. I absolutely love the snow. Makes everything that bit more magical. You can look through the trees here. Go on, we'll have a look down that gorge. Look at that. Oh, can I go down there? See if I can get more pictures for this. Oh. I'm just going around getting pictures now anyway. Can't even share it on Facebook for another 10 days or something. Oh, look at that. Oh, absolutely love it. I love this gorge here. Separates Stanley Bank to Haydock. There must have been something going on down. Look at the state of that. Only scrapyards at the other side of that. Wow. Do we know if that gorge is natural? It must be. We'll have to have a look on some maps. We'd love the maps. Look at that. I came out at the right moment here. Oh. That forest has took some, well, oh, it has took basically. Look at that. I'm sorry, I keep on saying look at that, but this. It's that clearing in the wood. Expect a TP built there in a time by you. Oh, scenery. I'm only 2 minutes away from home. It just changes the whole environment. I love it. Absolutely love this environment. This snow. And it's came at the right time of year too. A lot of older folk who'll watch my videos will remember when snow used to come in November pretty much every year. Now we're getting to the lates of January, February, April, then we're getting snow. And it's a pittance of snow too. It's never decent snow, it's never thick. And the UK just goes into meltdown when this stuff hits too. That's what I love about it. We know that snow is coming, so we can prepare ourselves. Yet, as soon as we get like a foot or two of snow somewhere, oh, shut up, Lewis. It shuts down all the airports. There you go, rant ended. Need to find some more greenery. Try to get a picture of that church with enough woodlands in it. Was not expecting this today. I'm just going to pause for a second. I'm going to have a bit of my brew. I'll show you where I keep my brew. Oh, that's the wrong button. Do you want to know where I keep my brew? Hot water bottle for your jacket. Oh, right, spin you around, and I've really got not much to say about this place. It's just beautiful. Said this is if you live in Haydock, come and just go for a walk around here. Even use my videos as a guide. Well, you won't get lost actually. I'm quite good with pointing things out in directions. I buggered up then. Pause the video when it works, pause the video. Sounds like we're getting back up to the road now. Yeah, we're back up the road. So it's only literally a 10-minute walk this. So definitely worth just having a little walk around. Remember what went on in Haydock. I would carry on and do a bit more, but we've all seen loads of Stanley Bank, so maybe tomorrow, if it's still like this, we'll go find somewhere new. See if we can go find the tracks for Station Road. So the trees and stuff, the foliage, be easier to get through. Oh, we'll end it where we started. My boot prints. Silent Tommy. And we're done. We'll walk up to Welcome to Haydock sign, why not? Shout out to Stephen Musdale too, because we'll see something in a second. I want to see the state of my app too. That's going to be fun. So welcome to Haydock. Whoa. Liverpool Road. That was the old road that went onto the Lancs. I think it's now just Stanley Bank Way. Liverpool Road. Some houses up there. There's that big one you can see. That's beautiful. Beautiful house. Yes, fresh footprints in the snow. Yeah. So there's this too. I didn't know about this. Oh, it's a list, by the looks of it, of all the businesses still operational in Haydock. Timpson's, Wagon and Horses Farm Shop, Tesco Haydock Pet Shop, Garvey and Young Funeral Directions, Belvoir Estate Agents, Lee Vale School, Haydock High School, John Alexander, Adam Barber Barrel Planters, Hollywood Chemist, NHS St Helens and Whiston Hospital, Haydock Pet Shop, David and Julie Hughes Private Denture Services, Dave Bennett Planters, Owl's Nest Pub, Planet Escapes Limited, part of Ida Vale Group, St Helens Gutters, and we'll go through the list. St Helens Metropolitan Council, St Helens Head Haydock Community, Anti-Law History, Pictures, Green King Shipping, Collins Stall Associates, Groomers Haydock, MJ Electrics, Alfie James, Abbotston Aggregates, Not Me, Yickers Hope Rise like a phoenix from the ashes of a shattered dream. Donated to the community of Haydock Village, created and designed by Stephen Musdale, St Helens in Bloom, and lives in memory of Karen Musdale and passion for Haydock Village. So Stephen throughout Haydock has went and put planters and in the memory of his mum, who loved Haydock, was a big part of the community. So he's went around and he's decorated Haydock in for St Helens in Bloom, which is, it's an award that can get given out to or I'm not doing an urban explore, stop it Lewis. It says keep out there. Yeah, sorry, in the living memory of his mum. Oh, I know, dog bark at there. And Planters St Helens in Bloom, it's like an award for the whole of the country. Put flowers and decorate your community. You can get given this award. So for the past year or so, Stephen's been smashing it. So well done to Stephen. And I'm coming up to home now, so I'm gonna have to stop the video. That's the old Huntsman there. Old Huntsman's pub converted into a Tesco now. But I'm done. Thanks for watching. I'm nearly home, so best stop before people know where I live. Yeah, thanks for watching. It's only been a walk around the free falling railway. Still a very nice little walk, and I do like getting out in the snow. Love the snow. So I'll try and get out again tomorrow if it's snowing. I do like the snow. See if we can find these bloody tracks. I've been on about them for 3 months. They're only up the road. I'm just being lazy at the moment. Right, thanks for all watching, and see you on the next one. yeah, thanks. See you all. Bye bye. Oh, I've got to pause this now.